Hi friends, this video shows how to format USB flash drive. See, here I am using this multi-port USB hub to connect USB flash drive to this Google TV Streamer 4K. See, this USB hub I have connected to this uh, Google TV Streamer 4K using this USB Type-C cable. And here you can see I have connected this power cable to this PD in port of this hub. And here I have connected USB flash drive. Next I am going to format this USB flash drive. In TV, go to settings, select all settings from top right corner, go to system, go down, select storage, and here you can see SanDisk USB drive. So you have to select SanDisk USB drive under this removable storage, select, and here you can see the erase and format option. So using this option we can erase or format this USB flash drive. Select it, select format. See, now it's formatting USB flash drive. So this way we can format. We can try this. Okay, done, completed. Let me select move later. See, so this way we can format USB flash drive. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.